guys, so this is a whole new experience for me to try this out. This whole YouTube videos, being in front of a camera and talking, but I hope I can kind of grow and get better at stuff like this so that my videos will be a lot more entertaining for you guys to watch. But just know, kind of here in the beginning, just bear with me, kind of starting out, getting geared up. Some of these videos aren't going to be the best quality, and my content probably is going to be the greatest initially, but I'm really getting there, starting to build some pretty cool things. I think what the value I really can provide is, with specifically this video, is the install I did on my truck of the reverse lights for the Baja Designs S2, S2 Sports. I didn't need a ton of light back there, I just need a little bit more than what the Ram is putting out for me. So if you guys don't know, I have a 2020 Ram Rebel, and if anyone is familiar with the reverse lights on those, and most stock vehicles as is, they're not that good, and in fact they're terrible, and I'll show you guys some videos that will really highlight kind of how bad the visual is with those lights that are stock, and then the difference that these Bajas make whenever I turn those on. So but I want to introduce you guys to Coda. Here, bud. So this is Coda. Say hi, bud. I just went to the barber actually, and they just put some beard oil. I guess Coda likes it. It's approved, huh?
Anyways, guys, I talk too much, so let's jump into the video. I want to just show you some of the items I bought and had to use to extend the wiring that came with the Baja Designs lights. So if you have to use something similar, here you go. So right here, it's kind of hard to see, but right where the flashlight is where I wired the switch in through the cab of the truck from the battery. So right here you can see the relay. Lucky for me, Ram had this hole that was not being used, so I took advantage of that with a simple bolt and a nut. Now I know it's kind of hard to see right here too until I get my light on, but this is right where the switch wire came out through the cab, and I had to switch that attached onto that just for temporary use. So to mark where we wanted to cut out for the lights, we used yellow masking tape on the bumper, and then we drilled holes in each four corners of the rectangle as guide points. It's honestly not that hard to do. One of the biggest tips I can say is the guide holes in the corners really help, and the masking tape really helps in case you accidentally hit it with the drill bit. You don't scratch up your bumper, or if when you're trying to drill in or cut in you accidentally go off a little bit. The masking tape definitely helps prevent any accidental damage to your bumper. Once we had the corner holes drilled, we used a Dremel and we cut out the rest of the rectangular shape for the flush mount lights. And then we grinded down that surface just so it was a little bit smoother, not so rough cut, and to help fit better. So we actually cut the rectangle hole smaller than what we needed so that we could grind out the rest of the area to get a good fit and the fit that we wanted. when I take this video, I want you to kind of see like that tree. You can't really see hardly at all. I mean, there's some street lights out here. Also, there's Coda. Hey, Coda. But I want you to kind of see how dark it is out here, and then the difference with the reverse lights. Come in, turn them on here. Boom. That's how much they see right now. Definitely see a lot more. Definitely a lot more light coming out there. Coda really likes that. Let me just show you how it looks on the camera. Let me put it in reverse. Big difference. You can see a ton more. Let me turn them off and show you the difference. That is without. And mind you, there's street lights, so looks a little bit better than most would. And then let me turn it back on. Boom.
If you want to know more specifics, comment below. I'll get back to you guys. I can answer a lot of the questions about some of the things you see in the video, some of the things that are missing from the video. Obviously, I'm not going to have everything that I've done for the installation. There's a little bit more to it, and I'll kind of hopefully touch on what is missing, but comment below if any of this doesn't make sense, if what you're watching is, there's things that you're wanting to know more about, and I can definitely answer some of those questions or get back to you guys on some of the things I did differently than others.